Hello everyone, long time no see. I've been recently busy. I applied to college as a transfer student, but I will make another video about it. So I'm very glad to see you back on my channel, and today's video is really special. It is about our trip to Hawaii. We went on Hawaii in February. I also spent there my birthday. My birthday was February 16th. The video is much longer than my regular videos. I'm very new to YouTube in general and to this kind of videos especially. So it took me some time to edit it, to add something to it. So it is some kind of a live vlog, and I hope you will enjoy it. So I will just show there day by day what we did, where we went, what we saw, everything. A little spoiler, we went on a Lost tour, if you remember. If no, TV show Lost, which was filmed like maybe 20 years ago. And in this video I cut this part off because I think I would make another video about the Lost tour because it is just so special. It was my dream for a long time. So the video was already quite long, and I decided I will just make another video about it. So I'm really excited. The trip was just amazing. We were happy to use our Marriott points. So we booked Ritz Carlton Kapalua hotel on Maui, and it was just amazing. For points, it was 4 nights plus 1 night for free, so we got 5 nights for our points, which was saved for a while. So enough information. I'm just really excited. You will just see everything in the video. Let's start. Food on the flight was nice. We were happy to see a vegetarian option. We also had wine, Hawaiian drink. Also there was some fruits and a cookie. The airport in Honolulu is very clean and good looking, very contrasting to JFK. You can already feel the atmosphere of Hawaii there, looking at all the aloha signs there, looking at beautiful nature right from the window. So for 2 nights we are staying in Honolulu at Hilton because we wanted to go to see the Lost tour, one of my favorite TV shows ever. And then we'll go to Maui for 5 more days. Following you? Already here? Okay. Fine. So this is Hilton's room. It looks much nicer than what we saw on the internet, and there is like so much space here. About the hotel at Honolulu because the main reason we came here is to go on the Lost tour. have 2 days of just walking, some activities, and then we'll go on Maui for 5 days, just on resort, only relaxing, rest, and enjoying the nature. So we're very satisfied with this Hilton hotel because really on the internet it didn't look that good. I mean, look normal, just a good hotel, but not that much space, or some people it turned out to be very nice. So this is the view here at Hilton. A bit scary. So we're on the way to the restaurant, first restaurant we will eat at in Honolulu. So the restaurant is called Carolina Sicilian Cuisine. So beautiful. So this is Waikiki Beach. Not as crowded as we thought. The sand is very clean. Can you say clean?
Yeah. And I quit smoking, so.
So many birds. And the air is so fresh.
Interesting fact, the restaurant is Sicilian. However, most of people who work there and the guests are Asians, and also the food is a little bit of Asian style. You can see a lot of interesting options. Like this one is the sea urchin pasta. I just was amazed. Very, very delicious. I recommend this restaurant to everyone.
So this is our second day in Honolulu and I'm so excited. We are so excited. Yes, are you? Today we're finally going on Lost tour. It is my childhood dream. Like 18 years ago when I was watching Lost, I thought, oh, very interesting, probably some uninhabited island. Oh, there's no way to go there. Then I googled it when I was a little girl, and so then there is Honolulu, and I thought, oh, maybe when I would be able to go there, like I will not be able to go there in any nearest future. And now, 18 years later, we're going on Lost tour. So we came back from the Lost tour at around 11:30, which is quite earlier, and this is great. And now we're going to have lunch at, how this restaurant is called? House Without a Key. It's all booked for dinner, but for lunch it has some time, and the reviews are very nice.
The location is beautiful. It's right next to the beach. There are a lot of food options for lunch too. So I got some fish tacos, some salad. The seasoning was very nice, and my husband got some burger.
So we're just walking now The Army Museum is closed on the weekends. Today is Sunday, so we're just watching what they have outside of it. Yeah, so you said there is some equipment where...
So they pretty much curl in and they control the turn from underneath it. And this whole thing is, except for the top, is underneath.
Yeah, I'm sure it is interesting to go this museum.
Wow, water cannon. Monarchy cannon.
Wow, our favorite baklava. It's right here.
What's going on?
Wow. We're back at the airport and now we're going to Maui to spend 5 days at the resort. The flight will be only 42 minutes and I think the distance is very short.
150 kilometers.
Yeah, 150 kilometers. 100 miles.
The airport in Maui is not big, and it is clean and nice looking. We're already very close to Ritz Carlton here, and I like how it is quiet and tranquil. There were not really a lot of hotels on our way. I like how everyone is smiling here. You can already feel the positive vibe. I'm happy to get Hawaiian flowers, which I was dreaming about.
We also have our breakfast restaurant. It's directly down those stairs. Okay. And there's a pathway too if you're ever in the lobby. That'll take you down to the pool, the burger shack, and an elevator as well down to the restaurant. Do you have club lounge access included in your stay? No, not this time. That's okay. Well, if you do decide to take us on club level, that's located down this hallway here.
Got it.
It's a little bit entrance door right there. Okay. Fitness center is here to your right. They're open 24 hours. Sometimes, depending on the weather, we'll also go yoga classes in there. Those on bikes if you're interested. And then this exit here on the left, stairways down to the spa. Go right around the bend here with double elevators. These elevators here will take you down to the 4th floor where your room is located.
Help me.
The room is in very authentic style. The bathroom is quite big. And we really like that the floor is wooden, so it will not get dirty very easily. We had a room with partial ocean view, which I think was a great idea. If we just had regular view, then we will just face a swimming pool, and like this we still can see a lot of the ocean and a little bit of swimming pool, and it's right on the side. So unfortunately on this video there was some background music and I'm not sure how copyright works, and I will just say that here I mentioned that it was 12 p.m. and we were going to have lunch at Ulana Terrace, which later turned out to be closed, by the way. stone. It turned out they are closed. We're searching for another place.
We're searching for food.
So we just came to Banyan Tree and they had a lunch menu. Dessert?
Too late. 2-second window to spot the lizard. Another bird.
So this is the road to the beach. There is a tennis court. Also you can play golf here. We grabbed towels and to have a chair you are paying $55 for.
Oh, I forgot. Actually, I can grab the chair for free because of the... You want a chair?
No, I don't need
Okay.
one. Why do you say you can grab it for free?
Because my Marriott is Ritz. Yeah.
No, I don't want to sit here. I just
Okay.
want to walk. Interesting, but public beach turned out to be less crowded than Ritz-Carlton beach. And this beach is like 2-minute walk from Ritz-Carlton. A very nice place for taking pictures right next to this beach. Or do you think it will be somewhere there? Desserts. Wow. Okay, we're on our way to the Banyan Tree. We're going to our first breakfast here in Ritz-Carlton.
Yeah.
There were some options in buffet. However, we decided just to get something from the menu. And we got coffee with plant-based milk, avocado toasts, and this banana pancake, which turned out to be too big. Very nice, you can see there in the water. Also there is jacuzzi with warm water over there. So today is our second day in Ritz Carlton, and we're going on hiking again. Yesterday we didn't finish the whole trail. It was quite hot, and now we're planning to go again. Yeah, to finish it. The scenery is amazing. It's like so nice here because it's not crowded at all. It's you're just you and nature. Very beautiful. There's like sandy beach. Further it is rocky. Amazing, and the smell of the ocean. The scenery is a miracle. So this is where we finished last time, and now we're walking further there. Yeah, so we're here, we'll walk. So this is another bay. So we're close to the end of the trail. Further there is a more like crowded area. There are lots of hotels there. We are not sure if there is a way out over there because a man told us that they didn't find it and probably just need to take the same trail back. But we will see. Yes, so then it just goes to the private residence. So you think it can be some abandoned building?
Maybe half-finished building.
I think it's dangerous to go up. So on our way back, we went to the tip. There's also a beautiful view on another side here. We really enjoyed Kai Cafe. It is also right inside Ritz Carlton. The view is just fascinating. It's very pleasant and relaxing just to sit there, drink coffee, and enjoy the beauty of nature. They have a lot of healthy options like some fruits, some acai bowl. Also have some pastry and coffee with different types of milk.
Yay! They really have very nice swimsuits. They're such high quality, just different level. Very beautiful. I'm very happy we took one, and the design is very unique. Very nice. We came back, and after they cleaned the room, so sweet. They left us some champagne. Oh, to celebrate your honeymoon with us. Did we mention that we're gonna? You did? Oh, so sweet. Very nice, very pleasant. So this turned out to be white wine from France. Here we are at Merriman's Kapalua. The road to this restaurant was very beautiful. The area is so nice. And at first we were so surprised and fascinated by this amazing view. We also could see whales swimming there. You see this water kind of going up. Is this a whale? You can even see some actual part of the whale there. And there were a lot of them. For starter, we had hummus, very yummy. There were also taro chips on the right. And for main course, we had fish. And for dessert, we had a pineapple cake, which was very juicy. We really enjoyed this restaurant. We loved that restaurant so much that we even decided to change our reservation for my birthday to this restaurant. The view is amazing. The area here is very nice. No, very safe, very, I don't know, just very luxurious and very clean. There are also lots of vacational houses here. Yeah, so mostly I think in this specific area there's probably only Ritz, Carlton, maybe something else further. We're back again at Ulana Terrace, and this time we decided to get some fruits instead of banana pancakes because they turned out to be too big. Everything was booked for the Valentine's Day, and we came for Aloha lunch right at the hotel, which was our only option, and it turned out to be very nice.
They even have this equipment probably for people who cannot physically get in water. It's very nice. Our third day at Ritz Carlton, and today it is raining. And for me it is actually really cold. Not for my husband, but I have goosebumps. Some people are in the swimming pool though. It's very cloudy today, windy and rainy. Now less rainy, so we are trying to go on a hiking trail. I'm not sure if we will make it, but we're trying. This one is to the right of Ritz Carlton and more in the woods. The previous one is more like next to the shore. This one is also much longer. It will take around 30 minutes just to get there to see some nature. This Italian restaurant is also one of our favorites. The view on the golf club is really nice, very nice atmosphere. Even bread was extremely yummy there. Everything was cooked in a very healthy way. The portions are not big. And this dessert is something really special.
today is my birthday and we have photo shoot today. They mention it as like for free, included in fee, but the photo shoot itself is for free, and depending on how many pictures you want to get, one picture is $50.
This is a video they made for us after the photo session.
So it's our last full day at Ritz Carlton. Though it's really very windy, cloudy and a little bit rainy, but we still had to come to the beach. We're getting used to it, so it doesn't feel that cold anymore. Only when it's really windy. My husband really feels cold probably.
How did you enjoy our stay?
Very, very good. Very good with you.
Oh, so sweet. We'll miss this place.
Thank you everyone for watching this video, especially if you watched it all the way through. I'll be really surprised and happy about that. I tried my best to edit it somehow, but again, I'm new to it. There's some really big fly flying over there. Okay, so sorry, I always get distracted by something. So again, thank you so much. I will be happy and I will really appreciate if you leave a comment below, if you follow my channel, and I hope I will make more lifestyle life vlogs like this one. Hope you enjoy your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.